glass laundry dispenser. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, looks interesting so far. Oh, look at that. Wow. So basically it's just a jar. And there's some stuff inside of it. I don't know what those are. So we have to open this up.
We're going to make a spigot out of it.
Okay, can you do me a favor? Can you unzip this? Okay, there we go. Okay, that's
I
off.
don't need me a look.
I know, nobody helps me. I got to do everything myself. My hand's caught. I can't get my hand out. I can't get my hand out.
Just break the glass.
All right, hang on. I think I got to take one at a time.
Yeah, you have to set that up.
All right,
But
what do
first,
you...
before you set it up, make sure it fits in the space.
All right, well, let's see what's inside here. We're unboxing it.
And then I'll pour my leaky big laundry soap container that I have in a big bin into there. And then
Jesus.
scrape it all out of the bin and put it in there.
This is like a major project here. We've got all this stuff. There's something in here. What is it? All right, hang on. So
That
we've
box
got...
is perfect. I think.
Oh, is there a hole on this thing?
Oh my God. What did I just say? Did you?
Oh, wait a minute. There's a hole on it. Right
It
there.
could also be a tea dispenser.
It could.
Oh, so that's going to go like that.
Or just a place.
And then I gotta
to stick
use
your
these
thing when you're
things.
on board.
I got to use these things
Yeah,
to set it
All
up.
right,
she
let's go.
said.
All right.
Let's
We better get
go. We're
there.
good.
All right, I'm going to put this together. All right, so anyway, there's these things, right? We got to get them out of here. I don't even know what they're... They didn't give us any directions with this thing. So I'm going to try to figure it out myself. These things here, I would think, keep it from oozing out. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. And then this, I would think, would go like in the front of this. You follow me? And then this here, I think I think this is where the bolt will go. And so I'm thinking I got to take this part off. You follow me? Like that. All right, so that's off that. And then this, I would think that this is going to go on here like this. Like, whoops. Screw it up like this. You follow me? So I've got to kind of like screw this on. I would think. I mean, it doesn't want to go on. Trying to get it all the way down. There we go. All right, so now I've got it on there. So you can see the outside, it's got the silver, and that's on. Now I think I just plug it in and then put this on the other side and then tighten this bolt down on it. I mean, that's the only way I think it would work. So let's try that. All right, so here's the hole, right? So I'm thinking that we put this through there like this. You follow me? You see that? I think we go ahead and put it through like that. And then I gotta get this inside there and smush it on there. I mean, this is the only way I can think it would work. Just like that. Okay. And then the bolt, I gotta get the bolt in there. And I'm gonna twist it on like this. And I think that this is the tool that I use to get the bolt on. You know what I mean? And then once I get it in there, I can go like this. I can twist it until it's tight. Because this thing's got like little doohickeys on it, and this is what I can twist on there. And I think I almost got it. And the question is, will it leak? I don't know. You know? So I think that's it, right? Maybe I can get it tighter. Oh shit. I think I got it pretty tight. You see these little things on it, that lets me be able to twist it. Yeah. That should do it, huh? I don't think I needed to put that on. Because, you know, I don't think we needed that. But then I guess all you do is just open it up like that. And then your laundry detergent comes out. You know what I mean? So I think that'll work. Maybe I can get it a little tighter. All right, that should do it. That should do it. I think we're good. Yeah. I hope. I don't know. We'll find out. So here we are. I've got it on there. And you turn it this way to open it. Or maybe it's that way to close it. And then this way to open it. So I think this might be closed. You know what I mean? Because that's usually the way it goes. Usually you put it to the flow level. Like this would be, like, you know, so it's horizontal. And then this is perpendicular. Right there. And then we just got to fill it up. Here's the cap for it. This thing here, we might want to hang on to that. Just in case. Put it in here. All right, that's it. Now we can just go ahead and put some detergent in there. Well, it fits up here, so that's perfect. And then to get the stuff, you go like that. To close it off, you go like that. We just got to fill it up with the detergent right here. And we'll be ready to go. It does come with this. So I'm just going to leave it right here for now. And then when we're ready to fill it up, we'll show you guys. This is all of our stuff for the laundry. So here we are, look. We need to make it come out. We just go like that. And bam, there you go. So we got all of the detergent. We just poured it in the top. I don't think you guys need to see it. But there it is. It's ready to rock. And you can see exactly how much you need. All right, if you like this video, check out all of our other awesome videos where we wash stuff in our washing machine with this laundry detergent dispenser. Peace out.